Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Airplane Story 3. Hopefully this time we don't get kicked out. I'm playing with one of my friends, so... If you guys can hear funny in the background, sorry, go check her channel out. It's really cool. They're really funny. Can't get it? Funny? Okay, we gotta be down. It's fine. Welcome everyone. You are probably wondering why I gathered you guys here. Sorry for the weird voices. Airplane Story 3! I'm the Washington State Army General. You can call me General Poncho. Hi, General Poncho. From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order. Or else you will be expelled from the team. Now, please take a seat. I am the general. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Nope. Let's get to the point. This is our target. His name is Ronald. We have investigated and all we know is he's a dangerous Robloxian. What did he do? That is where we are heading. Ronald has kidnapped the captain of an airplane. Oh no! Everyone in that plane must be in danger! That is right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode, which means everyone is safe until it becomes the broken place. Our mission is to stop Ronald. We need to find that plane, get everyone out, and get everyone out safely. We will find Ronald's intentions and bring him to justice. Sorry if I said that wrong, guys. But how did we get to the plane? Good question. Follow me. Ready? Going down. No! Okay, yeah, the video is done. Bye, guys.